Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure iOS 18 is active and the reader matches your iPhone port. Plug the Apple-certified SD card reader or approved adapter into the phone. Once it's seated, insert the SD card until it clicks. You should see a brief LED or on-screen prompt. If nothing appears, gently reseat the connection. While you do this, keep the Files app closed. Opening it too early can delay the system mounting the card. Now open Files when the card shows up. Once done, open the Files app and tap Browse, then look under Locations for the SD card. Tap it to preview folders and files. You can select single or multiple items, tap Move to choose a destination on your iPhone or in iCloud, and then confirm. If transferring many large files, plug the iPhone into power. This prevents interruptions. Make sure you wait for copy completion messages rather than ejecting early, because iOS writes metadata at the end of transfers. To finish, close Files and gently unplug the SD card reader after transfer is complete. Don't force removal during writes. If the card isn't recognized, try the reader on another device to isolate hardware versus card format issues, and reformat to XFAT or FAT32 on a computer if possible. iOS reads those reliably. If you see permission or write errors, check the card's physical lock switch and free up iPhone storage. Still stuck? Restart iPhone with the reader attached and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.